What do Muslims have to say about the fact that people are healed in Jesus' name?
I have no hesitation in accepting this phenomena, that it can happen. But these things are happening in Hinduism. People are performing miracles. In Islam, people are performing miracles. You see, in the name of a false god, you can perform miracles. Jesus Christ told that woman, if you remember, the woman who had a bleeding sickness issues, 7 years, no healing, and while Jesus was passing by, she touched the hem of his garments and she was instantly healed. And Jesus felt that something was being drawn out of him. He looks at the woman, he says, "Woman, it is thy faith that healeth thee." Her faith, that she had the faith that Jesus, by touching him, she get healed, is your faith. So in other words, a faith in a false god can also perform miracles. Jesus says so. For there shall arise many false prophets and false Christs, who will show you great signs and wonders. If it were possible to deceive the very elect, even the disciples of Jesus can be deceived with such miracles. So miracles is no proof at all whether the person is genuine or not.